A freiliche Pirem, everybody, Wises and Wine Stocks, all the way from Rochester, New York. Never heard of it? So first we're gonna sing a song in a humorous style, with some humor, and then we'll have the serious song. Hope you'll enjoy it. It's not really a song, but anyway. So I got thinking one day, maybe I need to start a profession. After all, I do have 19 grades already. 19 grades. So seine Eltern says I should be a doctor. We have a guest at the door. So let's take a pause for the guest at the door.